In this video, we're going to look at 10 different Canadian stocks that beat the S&P 500 when put together. Sometimes buying ETFs are boring, but we're going to build a stock portfolio with 10 different sectors. It's really hard to buy healthcare stocks in Canada. So in order to do this, we're going to use InvestScan's new feature. All you're going to do is click this button once you're in the focus list. Basically, the stock list is now paired into the focus list to help you rebalance your account. So basically, I already put in the 10 stocks that I used in the back test that shows you doubling the S&P 500. And we're going to go through these stocks. Now, I highly recommend you go through all the metrics. Basically, I wrote a software that does all this for you, and basically it's giving you the best pick of every industry. So we're going to use QBR for our communication. We're going to use Aritzia for our discretionary. We're going to use Enerflex for energy. We're going to use TD Bank for our financial sector. Now here's the healthcare sector. There's really not too much here. Now, after this video, I am going to add a lot of the missing pieces from the American market, but there's enough stock picks that you can screenshot here today for sure. We're going to use Algoma for the industrial sector, ERO to take care of our copper in the material sector, Choice Properties for our real estate, Metro, the grocery store, for the staple sector, Celestica for our technology, and EMA for utilities. So why this is a great tool to help measure your stock portfolio is it's doing a lot of metrics behind the scenes. You can look at a country breakdown. We're only using Canadian stocks. It also does a style breakdown. It takes a look at all the different style sectors, and you can see, hey, there's a little bit of large cap, but there's a lot of mid cap in here. And it also does an industry breakdown of all the different industries you're invested in. So right now, there's only one pick for every industry. The whole point is you don't want any overlap. And if you want to see if you have too much in one sector, you want to click the top right button again, and it's a stock rebalancer, just like the ETF one. So you can see we're a little light in healthcare. It's hard to find a Canadian healthcare stock, but basically we're a little light on technology and a little heavy on financials. So you can sell a bit of TD and buy a little bit more Celestica, or sell a little bit of TD and buy another technology pick. It's always trying to help you find the safest way to make the most amount of money. And the app is integrated within the native Apple Stocks app. When you click these tickers, it's going to bring you to the Apple Stocks app, and you can create your own watch list there. I'd rather you open the Apple Stocks app every day instead of your brokerage account. So going back to the ETF stock list, you can see it pulled our stocks into our total investments. Basically, this is how much money you're managing. And if we scroll down to the Canadian equity portion of the ETF focus list, you can see the stock picks in there to help you rebalance your account. And this will help you rebalance your account. When you only own Canadian stocks, you're running into a home country bias and some home country risk. If you're wondering why your portfolio is a little more volatile, it's because you don't own the other countries. Adding some of these other ETFs into your portfolio will help smooth out the ride.